Hello students, we are doing human resource planning, the procedure wherein we are in demand forecasting technique, and today we are going to study about ratio trend analysis. Before this, today itself I have sent you a method managerial judgment technique. Now we are studying ratio trend analysis. Students, as you all know, just a small recap, that human resource planning is about the forecasting of quality and quantity of people which are required in near future. That how many people will be required and what number of people will be required. That is very important to be known. So so we are going to study the demand forecasting technique, which means के कितना demand चाहिए, कितने लोग चाहिए in near future, for which we have understood managerial judgment technique, and now we are understanding about ratio trend analysis. Now this is one of the quickest method wherein the numbers are added and the problem numbers are loaded in the data and the solution is given by. This is one of the quickest technique, one of the easiest technique, wherein the definition says that ratio trend analysis studies past ratios and forecast future ratios, making some allowances for changes in the organization. Which means students, ratio is रेशियो ट्रेंड एनालिसिस मतलब कि दे स्टडी पास्ट में क्या हुआ था, कैसे रेशियोज थे, एंड देयर बाय दे मेक फ्यूचर रेशियोज एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम अलाउंसेस सम चेंजेस आर डन इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. राइट, ये आपको डेफिनेशन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में समझ में आएगी, वेर इन आई हैव शेयर्ड एन एग्जाम्पल विद ऑल ऑफ यू. सो द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड टॉक्स अबाउट एन एग्जाम्पल wherein then organization is there of insurance car company which is doing ratio trend analysis method. So let's see that and we'll understand further. Now this is the method wherein there are inspectors are required for demand forecasting in an insurance car company. Now what they are doing, you see, first vertical, if you see first vertical column is about actual and forecast. Then we have years, that is -3 years means before 3 years, -2 years means before 2 years, last year, next year, coming second year and coming third year. ठीक है, and this is number of employees required for this much unit of production, how many inspectors are required, and thereby we are doing ratios, right? Inspector and production ratios. Now let us understand what we can do in this. Here first is actual means जो हो चुका है, right? जो past में या last year तक होता आ रहा है. So -3 years means before 3 years production of units were 1500, okay, and इंस्पेक्टर वर 150. मतलब 1500 प्रोडक्शन के लिए हमें कितने इंस्पेक्टर्स चाहिए होते थे? 150. इट मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स, लिसन केयरफुली, इट मीन्स दैट फॉर 10 प्रोडक्शन ऑफ यूनिट 1 इंस्पेक्टर वॉज रिक्वायर्ड बिफोर 3 years. ये हमारा रेशियो था कि हर 10 प्रोडक्ट पे एक इंस्पेक्टर होता था जो चेक करता था क्वालिटी एंड एवरीथिंग. -2 years, 2 साल पहले क्या होता था? We were having 1800 production बढ़ा था, and 180 inspectors were there. Again the same ratio, that for each 10 production units we were having 1 inspector. Now what happened last year? Last year we increased our efficiency. कैसे increase हुई? तो हमने production किया 2000 and inspector थे 180, which means for each and every 11 units of production we were having 1 inspector. It means हमने जो इंस्पेक्टर की ड्यूटी थी वो 10 की जगह 11 कर दी, उनका लेवल ऑफ वर्क बढ़ा दिया. Now this was previous years forecasting since 3 years, 2 years and the last year. Now we will understand the forecast. That is for the next year. What happened? We were having 2200 production. मतलब we are forecasting here, we will have 2200 production units. So the company is forecasting that as per the before numbers, we can have 200 inspectors, which means for each 11 production we will have one inspector to inspect the quality and the number of products. Then for forecasting for second year, we have 2200 प्रोडक्शन जो कि हमने फोरकास्ट किया है, प्लान किया है. उसके लिए वी आर एज्यूमिंग दैट वी विल रिक्वायर 210 इंस्पेक्टर्स. ठीक है, विच मीन्स ऑन ईच एंड एवरी 12 यूनिट्स वी नीड 1 इंस्पेक्टर. आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं? वाई यू आर रिड्यूसिंग द नंबर ऑफ इंस्पेक्टर एंड इंक्रीजिंग द वर्क? सो दैट द एफिशिएंसी, the overall productivity of the product will increase. The employees will also have confidence that we have more number of employees under us. The inspector will be confident, as well as the cost of production will reduce and the inspector will do the work efficiently also. Now next coming third year, now here the production is 2750 units are to be produced. So we have inspector 230. So here also in 1:20 is the ratio, 1:12 is the ratio, which means for each production, 12 unit production, we have one inspector on them. So this is students ratio trend analysis, which means that कि हम पास रेशियो को स्टडी करते हैं, -3 -2 लास्ट ईयर के हमने रेशियोज को स्टडी किया, एंड वी आर फोरकास्टिंग कमिंग 3 years that how much production would be there in our organization. For that particular production, how many inspector will be required in our organization, and what is the ratio on each and every production, how many people will be required. That is what is the thing we are studying in ratio trend analysis. So again, if we understand the definition, this means it is the quickest technique wherein is study past ratio and forecast future one. हमने past को देखा और future को forecast कर दिया with some concepts, with some changes. So we have made some changes. 1:11 से 1:12 कर दिया, right? So this is what the ratio trend analysis talks about. Okay, so in next lecture we will be discussing other two methods, the work study technique and the Delphi technique. Hope you all are understanding sessions. Okay students, all the best. Bye.